Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix TikTok network problem. So let me show you an example. Right now I have turned off my Wi-Fi and this dialog is showing, so it may have shown to you even if you were connected to the network. So if you have this problem, then what you want to do is check first if your network is working properly or not. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and then click on your network. Then you need to check if the settings are proper or not. So if there is a proxy setting, then save it to none, and in IP settings keep it to DHCP, and in privacy use device MAC. So click on the tick mark. So this is done. Then if you are using a mobile data, then you need to go to your mobile data settings. Then you need to go to your SIM, then tap on the preferred network type and then keep it to LTE or any higher network that your mobile can support. So then you can close this one. You can also try to go to app info, then click on clear data and clear cache. If it is still not working, then you should try to restart your phone, and it should work now. I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any queries you can comment down below. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.